Out of all the tools here, this one got the most use. This is George the hatchet, named after its former owner, who has left us. May he rest in peace. But it is a family tool, so I've decided I would give it some more use. And I'll tell you what, it did a fantastic job. Any of the things I messed up, pretty sure that's when I hit my thumb or finger. And I would talk to George and he would talk back and we would get this thing done. We're good motivation for each other. So thank you to, I guess, my father-in-law through marriage for George the hatchet. Well, it's the next day after the rain and wind. Look, it's still up there. That is great. I mean, I could complain about the water. The rain was like going down that way. But everything else is pretty dry. So I'm just gonna choose to be grateful for that and know that, you know, my wood's clean, I guess. I didn't finish this side yet, so it looks like that's the task we're on. Put that gable up over there. Let's do this. I'm making progress. I'm gonna get these ones here after I do the screws inside. I'll show you what I was talking about. What was yesterday to me, probably a minute or two ago for you, but yeah, these get a screw in, and then there's another one. So 4 screws, and then I'll go out and finish up the top. My workshop is becoming empty of wood. Here's the 2 I've got to get to right here. And it looks like cable overhang ladders. I've got those clamps there, as you saw, the orange ones. But I went ahead and got myself a couple of extra ones with little trigger things. So hopefully that'll work as well to help. Let's go get it done. I might have noticed it was getting hot, so I took off a layer of clothes for the top, and I go back into my shorts too. And then I've got to do the same thing on this side. And I know it's not raining now, but it still calls for rain, so I went ahead and put the other side back on there. And if you saw it and you thought, hey, that didn't look straight, well, the boards are kind of twisted a little bit up on the top, and I can twist them into place. So I'll probably put a screw in between to just perfect that up, or whatever you call it. True it up? Sure. Talk to you soon. Alright, another page on the job bites the dust. This thing's on the top bend even, so I guess when I'm putting on the roof, which is the next step, they'll come together right now for me. Okay, gotta get started somewhere. There's the first one. Alright, now that that's done, looks like I gotta install one of those pieces, and some of those, and some more of these. That looks like this is the next step. It looks like I've got a piece. Man, incredibly shrinking shop. Say that 3 times fast. I mean, can you even hear me? It totally started hailing while I was working. I'm gonna stop real quick. Oh yeah, here it goes. Yeah, I got that back up on the back side. Thankfully I got the top ones done on this side. Oh, but yeah. I mean, yeah, that's ice hitting me on the head. Super cool. Hide away. Yeah, you hear that? Alright, here we are. I've got the side panel things on, and now I just need to rinse and repeat so that I have both sides done. And since it's on the back, I'm going to go ahead and knock that out. Well, I've got most of them done. Just these last 2 panels here. I thought you might want to see the actual roof get covered up, so I'm just going to show you this part. Wow, this is really empty. Just got some of these things to put on to make it look pretty. Got a door. If I want, I can put a window in too. Look at that. Woo. And yeah, pretty much almost done. Although it's all in the details, so I'm sure that'll take just as long as the rest of it has. Finally done on the roof. I used all the nails. Still need more, but it's okay. So now I'm going to put in these things called gable soffit panels with some finishing 2-inch nails, but I have those still. So there's the pieces. I'm going to go ahead and use some these clamps right there. Fold it in, nail it in, and move on. It should be 1, 2, 3, 4. You guys want to watch? Here you go. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put a couple extra nails along the inside and on that side, and then I'll do that side. You don't need to see this other thing. Then I'll show you all around once it's all done. Okay, good news. Those are on. Can you even see it? It looks kind of dark in the phone, but hopefully you can see. yeah, goes off all the way up and down. And that's what it looks like inside. Super cool. And then the next thing they're gonna have me do is put the things like this, but underneath those. So yep, there's that side. It's all done too. Alright, a lot of nails. Little finishing nails. Can you even see those things? There's one right there. And there. So yeah. Up and down. Came together really nicely. My dirty hands, I'm gonna have to clean that.